Are you tired of carrying around that lunchbox? Do you ever want free hands? Well, if you said yes, then Fridgeans are the jeans for you. They're jeans that allow you to carry around your lunch in your pants. Literally, in your pants. How? We use micro technology, cooling technology, that allows you to keep your sandwiches, pudding, apples, fresh as day. They won't even freeze your legs. That's how cool our technology is. Cool. Cool, you say? How much are they? $29.99. That's cool. $29.99. And we'll throw in an extra pair for no extra charge. But wait, we'll also throw in this nifty bottle that you can also clip onto your jeans. Keep it cool too. Just by being outside of your pockets, the Fridgeans will keep your beverages and anything else cool. We even do gift wrapping. Give them to your uncle, your aunt, your grandma, anybody you just want for $1.99. $1.99. Now you may ask, who are the Fridgeans for? Anybody. Yes, anybody. Family, you, hunters, hikers, diabetics, people who just eat a lot, people who just have high metabolism, me, you, and they come in various colors: tan, black, and for the kids, red, blue, purple, and even orange. Oh, but I didn't forget about those hunters. Camouflage. We even have them in camouflage. So leave that drag, don't be sad, cool your beans, and buy Fridgeans today.